This is the GEPRC Cinelog version 3. First, we're going to fly Avata 1300 120C. The recommended battery is the Avata 1300 120C. Also, I got a 1400 130C. We're going to see how that flies. It fits in it nicely. I did try a 1550, but it was too big on the side. So we're going to try both of these, see how it is. There's the two right there. We're going to do the 1300 first. We're going to try some maneuvers out, see what works. We're also going to be at 15 degrees and it's 60 degrees today, and there's pretty much no wind. Oh, it's loud. Woo! Alright, this is right out of the box too. The only thing I adjusted was the throttle mid to 40. I didn't adjust with any other settings. Slide around a little bit. Pretty loud, it got a lot of power. Okay. Gotta do split S a little bit. Oh, gotta get used to these since it's definitely gonna have to change the tuning on my sticks. Not used to these. And turn again, let's see. Oh man, yeah, definitely gonna have to change these sticks. Seeing a lot of vibrations in the horizon. I'm gonna have to see that in the steadiness when it's real steady later, or not real steady. Or I have to check later to see how that is when I stabilize it, but let's try this. Definitely can feel trying to do a split S just kind of fighting me a little bit. Let's try to come over here. Yeah, definitely a lot of power in this. See how we can slow down. Very loud. Definitely noticeable. Whoa. I think when I change the rates on the sticks, it's gonna be a lot easier to fly for me. Whoa, huh? Yeah, it's just so instant when I press up. I'm gonna have to change some of that. Also, this is 1300, but it says 3.745 right now. Which kind of worries me. I feel like my MAH, my milliamps per hour right now says 1300, and this is 1300 battery, but my voltage is 3.7. I think the milliamps per hour is off. We're at 4 minutes so far now. I'm gonna land it because I'm just not sure how much I've actually used. Huh. Liner error. Okay, let's see. The battery is at 2.73 or 2.75 now. 1427 used. I'm gonna have to see because I'm gonna have to change some stuff in Betaflight because it doesn't seem accurate. Right off the bat, it's not reading the milliamps per hour correctly. So that's gonna have to be changed because I used, this is 1300 battery, but I used over 1400 and it was still at 3.7. So I'm gonna have to go home and change that. But we're still gonna fly the other one. Lots of power, felt pretty loud. We can test that too to see the loudness difference next with versus the Avata 2. Now we're gonna do the 1400 battery, 130C on here. See what that feels like. Woo! Man, that's loud. That thing really takes off. I feel like I have more control at 1400 battery. It's not so all over the place. A little shaky on those turns. Try this again. Go around these trees. Getting a little darker now. And I'm just hovering. I'm pulling around, yeah, 10 to 15 amps. It's just, if we shoot it up, it does feel a little heavier, of course, but I feel like I have more control. Not all over the place like the other time. Granted, that was the first flight with it. This is my second time flying with this. It's running through the battery pretty quick. Granted, I'm hitting it pretty hard. Let's do a turned pretty well. I didn't see anything snapping back. I'm already liking the 1400 battery more, but I mean, this is second flight, so I'm gonna have to come fly again, especially after I change the rates and change the milliamps per hour problem, because it was wrong. I definitely didn't use 1300 if I've only was down to 3.7. Yeah, this is real nice with so much more control now. That a little bit of extra weight, but I'm sure when I fix my rates too, it'll be easier. Whoa. Snapping. Let's go up real high. I'm definitely going to come back and do another test because with everything corrected with the milliamps per hour. So all of that's correct. I'm back at around 4 minutes. Let's see. Ooh, huh. I'm back around 1400 in around 4 minutes. So we're gonna have to do a test where I'm just kind of going a steady amount to see. I don't want to mess up the drone just in case. So I'm gonna go ahead and land it. But at least you got a little preview. Oh, this is definitely gotta get used to this power. Okay, so that was 16 milliamps used in that 4 minutes when it's a 1400 battery. Flew for 4 minutes and 20 seconds, the total arm. But I'm gonna go home and fix the milliamps per hour in Betaflight. I'm gonna do another test with it and get all that sorted out and see what the full flight time is with it, because I wasn't expecting that issue with the milliamps per hour being that much off. But the loudness, it was a lot of power, instant power to it. Definitely felt a lot different from the Avata. I think it's louder than the Avata. We can see. I'm gonna test it and put it up on the screen with the different pitch and differences for you. (1518) used now, resting is 3.8. So definitely something is off. I'm gonna have to fix it. It's pretty cool drone. I like it. It has a lot of power. It has the 2650 kV motors on it. Also, I noticed something that there's a piece right here, for the antennas right here. Let's see. I don't know if you can see it, but there's the wires right there. So it kind of worries me a little bit about the propeller hitting see, you can see the wire right there. This is the 04 unit wire, and it kind of worries me that when it came lower like that and that this could possibly hit it. I doubt it, but I just kind of pushed it up into there so it wouldn't hit it. And these were kind of like, one's tight, one's a little loose. Kind of uneven, but I don't think it matters too much. I feel like the wire right here could have been placed a little bit better, not right where the propeller is at, but I think it'll be all right. So thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. I'm gonna come back and do another test when everything's sorted out, and do a kind of a steady flight to see how long the flight time actually is, just going at a steady pace with both batteries. Also, when the DJI Action 6 comes out, I'm gonna put it on this and my Vapor D6 and see what that's like. So if you wanna check that out, then follow and stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.